My name is Laura Jean Brower. I'm an RN. I'm from Gig Harbor, Washington, and I have been an aesthetic injector for 18 years. I wanted to learn more about the anatomy. Dr. Saraki jokes about it's like being on Miss Frizzle's school bus, going through all the anatomy and understanding all the structures, and it's incredibly helpful to stay safe with your patient because I think if you're a new injector or an experienced injector, everyone can benefit from this. Dr. Surik and Dr. Weiner are both so excited about the anatomy and they just love to show it to you. So it's a fun class. It's the class that you really, if you are an injector, you definitely want to come to. It's been great. I've loved it and I almost kind of want to come back again.